Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to show you guys how I get my hair back to its vibrant color. I'm going to show you all the color combinations and what products I use, and then I'm going to show you how I got from this to this. Let's get started. So for my roots, I'm running out of dye, so I'm using Adore's Periwinkle and Platinum, dumping that all together, then adding a little bit of my purple conditioner mixture that I had made a while ago, and then just mixing that all up. Basically how I'm going to start is I'm going to separate my hair into layers, then start coloring my root area with that mixture, and then I'll just go through my entire head until I'm done with the root area. Then for my ends, I already have this mixture that I put back into this conditioner container. I already mixed it up with Spark's color and the conditioner. And then I'm going to add another conditioner into that mixture as well. Then I wanted to add in more purple and more pink, so add in that magenta Sparks and then that purple conditioner as well. And then I just mix that all up so I can try to get a little bit more dimension in my ends. So what I have is one pink mixture and one more purple mixture. I'm starting off with the pink mixture by doing every other chunk of my hair down through each layer. And then after I'm done with that, I started from the top and then finished up all the pieces of hair that I didn't color yet with the more darker pink purple mixture that I made. And then just finishing up all the uncolored ends like I mentioned a second ago. I'm just going to let it sit in my hair for about half an hour. So here's the final comparison. As you can see on the left, that's my before, and the right is my after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions, please do leave them down below in the comments. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye! See ya.